Fuel your passion for healthy living with a hot and toasted sweet onion chicken teriyaki sandwich served with our exclusive fat-free sweet onions. Only at Subway restaurants.
Meet Yvette Jones, television producer,
You got
nonprofit pioneer, angel.
When you're living on the street, you don't have the luxury sometimes to be a poet.
Find out how her dedication to others gave her the life of her dreams. It's never too late for a fresh start. Real people, real lives, each fit to boom.
My name is Yvette Jones. I'm 48 years old and I live in Los Angeles. I was a television producer. I did primarily network TV.
54-year-old Juanita Carmack found herself broke and brokenhearted after a tragic accident.
It was a big loss for all of us.
Until a 100-year-old recipe gave her a new zest for life.
And they say life begins at 40. Actually, I think life begins at 50.
It's never too late for a fresh start. Real people, real lives, each fit to boom.
I was married for like 23 years. We were high school sweethearts. We met when I was like 14 years old and got married at 20. I loved being an at-home mom, taking care of my children, and my life changed.
56-year-old Maurice Kitchen realized he didn't want claims.
Hi, I'm Maurice, and today I want to show you how to make my favorite Subway sandwich, a little something I like to call the harmonic convergence. Now that's where good taste and better eating come together, resulting in a delicious, nutritious meal that literally sings in your mouth. We're going to start off with the basics.
Meet Yoko Ahigashi, investment banker, dreamer, gladiator.
Because of the competitive nature I am, I wanted to make sure that I did a good job.
Find out how this former